We begin our Qigong for quarantine set with Wuji posture. Begin by placing your feet shoulder width apart, that is comfortable for you. Knees bent, folding at the hips and dropping your butt as if you're about to sit on a low stool. Your shoulders down, arms relaxed and off the body, your head suspended by a string, and breathing with your lower abdomen in a three-dimensional manner. And sink. You want to feel your feet pressing into the ground and your body becoming more and more relaxed as your weight drops into the ground. When you feel grounded, begin by pulling up earth energy into your body and heaven energy and mix it together and bring it to your lower abdomen in a very smooth action with your hands guiding the energy back into your body. When you're ready, begin lung exercise by opening your chest and closing your chest as you exhale. So again, as you inhale and stretch from the center in and squeeze your elbows together and exhale. In through the nose, out through the mouth. We can add the sound for the lungs. Inhale and coordinating the abdomen and the arms with the breathing and the sound. We can use our imagination to inhale fresh, clean air and exhale smoke or toxins or virus. In this exercise, we will be vigorously exhaling while we move our arms and bend over. This will give us a different angle to expectorate the lungs and exercise the pleura of the lungs. So we inhale and stretch up. Exhale and until all the air is out. In this exercise, we clear the yin and yang channel, so up the inside of the legs, up the front of the body, and down the back and sides of the body. We use our hands to guide our breath and imagination and concentration to clear the channels. So we inhale up the body as we move our hands and exhale down the back. In this exercise, we'll be cupping our hands and using a percussive motion to protect our energetic field by repeatedly contacting our skin with our hands and creating a vibration deep into our bones. So we want to tap up the inside of our legs and inguinal area and down the outside of our legs. So up the inside, down the outside of the legs. And we can transition to our torso using a rocking kind of motion side to side where the arms relaxed, or just be using the same kind of cupping hand motion and a percussive striking our torso. We want to make the contact about 8 times in the same spot and then move on. Let the vibrations enter your body to stimulate your diaphragm, your lungs, and internal organs. We want to go up the outside of the arm and down the inside of the arm. This exercise can enhance our Wei Qi, which is our protective energetic field. This exercise can enhance our immune system response to any pathogens. This Qigong set should be done with an attitude of self-care and healing, as well as protection. At any time, you can imagine a golden or white light entering your body, deep inside your lungs and heart and internal organs, your brain. And from there, it can start expanding out to your extremities and to your skin, to the area around your body, above and below, protecting you from harm of any pathogens or fear.